Let's have a look at how we can prevent chemical contamination. When storing the chemicals that you use in the kitchen, including your cleaning chemicals, it is very important that you store them away from your food. Have a look around your kitchen. Can you see the chemicals you use to clean the kitchen or any other chemicals while working with food? If so, it is likely that you are storing your chemicals too close to the food preparation area. Chemicals of any sort should be stored in a separate storeroom that is locked and is monitored by a supervisor, as the supervisor needs to make sure that the correct chemicals are used for the correct job. You need to make sure that you are trained on all of the cleaning chemicals and how to dilute them before you use them in the kitchen. It is your responsibility to ask your management to train you on these cleaning chemicals. Any chemicals that will come into contact with food, such as the chemicals used to clean surfaces or equipment, must be food safe and non-toxic, which means not poisonous. Never store chemicals in food containers, such as cold drink bottles. If someone mistakes the chemical for food or drink, it could be fatal. They could get very ill and even die. The reverse is also true. Never store food or drink in chemical containers, as the container may contaminate the food. Any packaging used to store food must be of a food-grade quality. If you use chemicals at your establishment, ensure that you have had enough training on how to dilute and apply each chemical, as well as which chemical to use on which surface. This will help you to make sure that your food-safe chemicals are used on the surfaces that come into contact with food, and you should avoid getting you or your guests sick via chemical contamination. Further, your establishment's pest control company must be registered and trained to ensure that the poison that they use to kill pests does not contaminate the food.